All right, I'm gonna make a quick video showing you guys how to properly drive manual. A lot of people are scared of this transmission, but if you learn it, you'll probably start to love it. You'll notice you have 3 pedals at the bottom. To start your vehicle, clutch in, which is your left pedal. Start your vehicle, just make sure you have your key on you. Should start up just like that. When you are in park or going to park this vehicle, there's no P on there for park, so you need to pull up your emergency brake. So we're going to let that down in order to let the vehicle roll. Now you're in neutral, and you can tell by just wiggling your stick here, it's not in any gear. And to go forward, first gear, as you can see on here, all the way up to the top left. Now in order to start rolling, there's going to be a bite point. You can start releasing off your clutch slowly, and you'll see the car start to roll. You guys can see me rolling. Now I'm not using any gas here, so once you find that bite, you can start easily applying pressure on your gas. Now we're driving. So in order to switch gears, what we're going to do, we're going to put our clutch in. We're going to shift to second gear, slowly ease out on the clutch while applying your gas pedal slightly. You're going to keep going. Now let's say you're coming up to a stop here. You're going to want to put your foot on the clutch, put it back into neutral here. But to start going again, first gear, slowly let off the clutch until the vehicle stops rolling. I'm only using the clutch right now. You see? And if I slowly pull my foot off the clutch and apply the gas, we'll start rolling again. Super smooth. Second gear. Pulled it down to second gear. Now we're driving around the lot. You can see all of our gladiators we have here. Coming up to another stop. Clutch in, foot on the brake. Back to neutral. Now you know you're about to have to go back into first, so you can go ahead and apply your clutch. Put it back in first gear, which is top left. Slowly release your clutch while applying some pressure on the gas. And then when you're rolling, you can apply your foot to the gas pedal and let your foot off of the clutch. Now we're going to go back to second gear here. And that's how you drive a manual.